Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. I am Ananya Motkil, class developer of Emerging 2. So students, let's start our today's session with a very first subject English. On screen, this is your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 Joyful D. So you all have to be ready with your English book, a sharp pencil and eraser, plus you all have to must carry your English notebook जहाँ पर आप अपने रिविजन करते हो. You must have your English notebook because these are your revision session. यहाँ पर हम अपने जितने भी अभी तक आपने यूनिट कंप्लीट करे हैं टिल यूनिट ई वी हैड कवर्ड. सो उसकी अभी हम रिविजन करेंगे. सो प्लीज ब्रिंग आउट योर इंग्लिश बुक प्लस योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक. So let's open your unit B. So you all have to come on page number 1414 from your book. So students, in the previous session, we revised our unit A with the SH word, and today we will cover the next blend, which is your CH word. So what is the sound? Basically, you must have get that what is the sound of different blends. So CH will give you ch sound. What sound? Ch sound, right? So what you all have to do today you must have to do practice reading practice with all these vocab. जितने में यहाँ पे words है आपको वो तो revise करने हैं. You must have to read all these words, plus you also have to read this whole passage. Okay, because nowadays we are doing the revision of our previous concept. तो आपने reading practice करनी है ताकि आपकी reading skills और improve हो, right? Afterwards, I will tell you about the writing part, that what we have to do in the writing session. Okay, so reading is must. आपने सबसे पहले start करना है reading से. You must have to read all these words, like what is this without the hint. आपने clip arts नहीं देखनी है, because if you see the clip arts so you will recognize the word, but you don't need to see the clip arts. आपने ऐसे ही read करना है with sound. Chair in this way. Okay, you must hide the clip arts by putting any notebook on top, right? Chair. Next is cheek, cheek, right? The next one cherry. Next chin. Okay, so जब आप रिवाइज करोगे रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करोगे, हाउ इट्स हेल्प यू, बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग यू द डिक्टेशन. राइटिंग पार्ट में मैम आपको डिक्टेशन देंगे तो आपका रिवाइज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो सबसे पहले द वेरी फर्स्ट टास्क इज दैट यू ऑल हैव टू रिवाइज ऑल द वोकैब, ताकि आपको साउंड क्लियर हो. दैट सी एच विल गिव यू च साउंड. सो चेयर, दिस वन इज ट्री, दिस वन इज cherry, this one is chin. The next one, firstly we will hide the clip arts and then we will read. So it's bench, bench. Next, n, and ch will give you ch sound. So it's lunch. Next, torch. Next one, watch, watch. Right. So in this way, you have to do the reading practice of all these vocab which we had covered in the previous sessions. So today we are doing the recap. Okay, so there are some additional words. You also have to cover these words. This one is chick. Next, bunch, bunch, cheer. See, why we are doing revision again and again, because अगर आपने स्टार्टिंग में when I introduced you this unit, अगर आपका उस टाइम पे कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो लैक करता है या आपने ध्यान से नहीं करा है, तो रिविजन जब आप रिविजन करते हो प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो वो आपके उस कॉन्सेप्ट को बिल्डअप करता है, प्लस उसको और स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू डू रिविजन अगेन एंड अगेन, ताकि कोई भी ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपने मिस कर दिया है या जो जिसमें आपको और प्रैक्टिस की नीड है, तो वो रिवीजन की हेल्प से आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी बनती है और वो क्लियर भी हो जाता है. राइट, so students, so you all have to do practice reading practice of all these words, then you have to read this passage. Okay, आपने इस पैसेज को भी रीड करना है. And parents, it's a request, you can also ask questions with our kids related to that passage. Okay, so this is the reading part जो आपने oral part घर पर revise करना है. ठीक है, now I am sharing the worksheet with you, so please open your notebook students. You have to be ready with your notebook. Now on a fresh page you have to give a caption unit D tier 2. जैसे मैम ने यहाँ पर कैप्शन दिया है, तो आपने एक फ्रेश पेज ओपन करना है एंड देन यू ऑल हैव टू गिव अ कैप्शन यूनिट बी tier 2 because today we are revising our unit B. तो आपने सबसे पहले ऊपर टॉप पर यही कैप्शन देना है. देन यू मस्ट हैव टू राइट द डेट ऑन टॉप. जो आपका डेट कॉलम है वहां पर टुडे डेट मेंशन करनी है ताकि आप जब भी कभी नेक्स्ट रिवाइज करो सो आपको पता हो कि at this date I'll revise this tier, right? So please mention the date on top also. So first of all we will revise those ch words. ठीक है, today we are doing the ch words ना. तो यहाँ पर आप stars देखो, there are lots of stars and there are some words written in the star. So all are having the ch sound. ठीक है, so which sound we are doing today? Ch sound. Which sound? Ch sound. So one by one we will read all these words and then I will give you dictation. Okay, so all of you are ready. You are done with the date part plus you give a caption. Okay, fine. I'm giving you some time, then you will start. Okay, till then you will do your work. So now you all are done. आपने ऊपर यहाँ पर मेंशन किया है because that is very much important that you must have to give a caption that this worksheet belongs to your unit B. Okay, so now let's start with the very first word. You need not to write those words in your notebook. आपने सिर्फ स्क्रीन पर देखना है and try to read this word. So torch, torch. What is this? This one is torch. Now come on the next word. Don't write it because I don't want that you will waste the time. You just have to read it. यहाँ पर आपने reading practice ही करनी है, right? The next word is watch, watch, right? Come on the next star. This one is air, chair. What is this? Chair. Now the next is eek, cheek. So where are your cheek? Where are your cheek? Touch it. These are your cheek, right? Okay, the next one is ch, e, n, chin. So where is your chin? This one is your chin. Show me. Put your hands on your chin. Yes. Okay, now we left with only one word. It's lunch. Lunch. What is this? Lunch. Okay. So students, first of all, you all have to read those words which are there in star. Then what we will do? Sorry. We will do the dictation. Okay. So here you have to write the words which I told you, right? So one by one I'm sharing the words. You have to write those words here, right? So सबसे पहले you will give a caption dictation words, dictation words. ठीक है, on top you have to give a caption dictations because now I'm giving you dictation. Plus आपको ऐसे format create करना है. You have to give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 words I'm giving you. So please mention in your notebook. And when I'm saying the very first word, so you have to write over here. The second word you have to write over here. Okay. So let's start. Okay, fine. So students, now you have to write the very first word. यहाँ पर one number के आगे you have to write the very first word. So be ready now. So the very first word is ch, e, k, chick. So the very first word is ch, e, k, chick. Please write it in your notebook. Hurry up, I am waiting for you all. Ch, e, k, chick. So the very first word is ch, e, k, chick. Right? Hurry up, hurry up. You all have to write down. So it's chick. Should I say the next word? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this next word is students. Chair, air, chair. The next word is chair. Please write it down in your notebook. The very first word is chair, chick. After that, I'll say chair. Now you done? Done with the second word? Okay, now come on the third number and write the next word. So the next word is bench. Bench. The next word is bench. I'm repeating it again one more time. It's bench. Bench. I'm repeating the very first word again. I'm starting with the first word, students. The very first word is eek, cheek. The second word is air, chair. Next one is bench, bench. Now you will done with the three words. Okay, come on the next word, students. I'm saying the fourth word now. So the fourth word is cherry. The next word, the fourth one is cherry. You have to write over here, cherry. Please write it down. You have to concentrate on the sound. सिर्फ आपको साउंड पे कंसंट्रेट करना है एंड देन यू विल राइट द लेटर कि ये लेटर इस साउंड को बिलोंग करता है ठीक है ओके नाउ आई एम सेइंग द नेक्स्ट वर्ड द लास्ट वर्ड इज torch, 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 torch. So students, now I'm repeating the five words. I'm starting with the very first word. The first word is eek, cheek. The second word is air, chair. Third one is bench, bench. Are you done with this? Now the fourth one is cherry, cherry. Now the last one is torch, torch, right? सो आई एम गिविंग यू सम टाइम फटाफट से आप कंप्लीट करो अपनी डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स अगर आपका कोई भी वर्ड लेफ्ट है तो यू विल आस्क मी दैट मैम प्लीज रिपीट दिस वर्ड ओके एंड देन वी विल डू द सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन ओके हरी अप प्लीज डू दिस टास्क hurry up I'm waiting for you let's start the next work hurry up You are done with this? Okay, students. Now I hope so. आपने अपनी dictation complete कर ली है. Okay. After completing the dictation, you all have to share your oral work as well as you all have to share the written work as well. Dictation और सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन की भी आपने क्लिक करके मैम को सेंड करनी है और व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस विद योर इंग्लिश बुक यू ऑल हैव टू शेयर द वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग विद मी ओके दैट इज मैंडेटरी जो आपका रिवीजन सेशन मैम ने प्लान किया है जिस वे से आपने वैसे ही फॉलो करना है फर्स्ट you have to do the recap with your book then you have to do this worksheet जो मैम ने अभी आपसे शेयर करी ठीक है डिक्टेशन एंड फॉर्मेशन पार्ट आपने रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस के बाद परफॉर्म करना है ठीक है you have to go in the same way there is no change in this way fine so let it be very clear with you so now students we will come to the sentence formation what you basically have to do even I also share it before in the previous session आपने वैसे ही करना है you have to pick any of the words over here ये कोई भी words इसमें से ले सकते हो even you can take the watch chin cheek chair any of the vocab and you have to build up a small sentence आपने small sentence form करना है and then write it over here suppose chair ठीक है आई एम यूजिंग chair word so how you will form a sentence by using this vocab you will say this is a chair okay तो आपने ये sentence form करके आपने यहाँ पर write down करना है ठीक है so you will take n number of vocab and form small sentences right or you can also form sentence like that I am having a chair okay so in this way you have to form sentence small sentence and write it down so this worksheet is all related with the writing practice written practice okay so students the work which I shared with you in english is about the reading session or about the writing session. So both you all have to do because these days we are doing the recap. Fine. So I'm waiting for you. Till then you will complete. Then we will start with the creative work. So now I'll open my drawing file. So students, let's start our creative session. So I'm opening my drawing file. So this is the work which I shared you in the previous session. So in the previous session, I told you that you all have to draw a hut, a simple hut. So I hope so that your hut will look similar to this. तो आपने जैसी भी हट बनाई है आई एम ओके विद दिस आपने सिंपल हट ड्रॉ करनी थी राइट सो आपका टास्क कंप्लीट हो गया होगा सो लेट्स कम ऑन द टुडे टास्क आज आपने क्या करना है yesterday also I told you that you all have to collect leaves or grass from your garden ठीक है तो are you done with this part आपने leaves और grass collect कर लिया है आई होप सो आपने कलेक्ट कर लिया होगा बट दो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने कलेक्ट नहीं किया है तो फॉर श्योर आज आपने कलेक्ट करने हैं लीव्स को ठीक है और ग्रास को कुछ भी आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हो एंड देन यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर ओल्ड नोटबुक अपनी ओल्ड नोटबुक में जैसे हमने अपने आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट में भी सेम काइंड का कंसेप्ट किया था वैसे ही हमने करना है हमने अपनी लीव्स को और अपनी ग्रास को ड्राई करना है ठीक है सो वेयर यू हैव टू पुट इट यू हैव टू पुट इट इन अ ओल्ड बुक ताकि वो अच्छे से ड्राई हो जाए ठीक है सो प्लीज फॉर श्योर आप ये टास्क आज परफॉर्म करो प्लस व्हाट एल्स यू हैव टू डू यू हैव टू टेक crayon and you all have to take the brown color crayon which color crayon brown color crayon आपको लेना है and ये जो आपका पार्ट है यहाँ पे आपने ब्राउन कलर करना है डोंट डू द ब्राउन कलर ओवर हेयर बिकॉज हेयर वी विल पेस्ट द ड्राई लीव्स so what you all have to do today you all have to collect the leaves put it inside your old book okay and then you have to take the brown color crayon and do coloring over here ठीक है यहाँ पे आपने ब्राउन कलर करना है ठीक है so this is the task which you all have to perform and you have to wait for some time ताकि आपकी leaves अच्छे से dry हो जाए then what we will do we will paste the dry leaves over here dry का मतलब क्या होता है जो सूखी हुई leaves होती है we don't want the fresh leaves we want the dry leaves जो थोड़ी ब्राउन कलर की हो जाती है ना leaves तो वो हम यूज करेंगे एंड वी विल पेस्ट ओवर हियर ठीक है ताकि इसको एक रियल इमेज मिले है ना आपने देखा है हट किससे बनी होती है ड्राई लीव से है ना सो वी हैव टू गिव अ रियल इमेज टू आवर आर्ट शीट तो आपने ड्राई लीव्स ही पेस्ट करनी है डोंट पेस्ट द फ्रेश लीव्स ओवर हियर फाइन सो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम ताकि आपकी लीव्स जो आपने कलेक्ट करी है वो अच्छे से ड्राई हो जाए देन वी विल पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर ठीक है सो टुडे टास्क इज दैट यू ऑल हैव टू गैदर द लीव्स एंड डू coloring over here don't do coloring over here fine so that's all for today's session in this session we will revise our English unit B and we are continued with the previous concept in your art and craft right so that's it for today we will meet in our next session with more recaps right so bye bye have a good day